Looking for a plant that packs a punch? Let's talk about Moringa, also known as the miracle tree. This nutrient powerhouse offers benefits for immunity, energy, digestion, and even skin health. Keep watching to discover why Moringa should be part of your daily routine. Nutrient profile. The power of Moringa. Moringa is loaded with vitamins A, C, E, and minerals like calcium and potassium. It's an antioxidant powerhouse that fights inflammation, strengthens immunity, and supports heart health. Whether you use fresh leaves, powder, or oil, Moringa is packed with essential nutrients. Top health benefits of Moringa. 1. Boosts immunity. Moringa is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that boost immune function and protect the body from infections. Just a small amount each day can make a difference. 2. Aids in digestion. Moringa is high in fiber, which helps regulate digestion and keep the gut healthy. Plus, it has natural antibacterial properties that can prevent digestive issues. 3. Supports skin health. Thanks to its vitamins A, C, and E, Moringa helps keep skin glowing, clear, and youthful. Many people use Moringa oil for skincare, as it can reduce fine lines and improve skin texture. Regulates blood sugar levels. Moringa is known for helping manage blood sugar levels, making it an excellent choice for those looking to naturally control their glucose levels. 5. Promotes heart health. With its high levels of potassium and antioxidants, Moringa supports a healthy heart by helping to lower cholesterol and blood pressure. How to use Moringa in your diet. Wondering how to incorporate Moringa into your diet? Here are some ideas. Add Moringa powder to your smoothies or juice. Sprinkle it on salads or add it to soups and stews for an extra health boost. Use Moringa oil as a natural supplement or in your skincare routine. Interesting fact. Here's a fun fact. Moringa is called the miracle tree in many cultures because it's entirely edible, from the leaves to the seeds. Did you know it contains more calcium than milk, more vitamin C than oranges, and more iron than spinach? Impressive, right? If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Kitchen Hospital for more wellness tips, and share this video with friends to spread the health benefits.